Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in a relationship and constantly juggling bills, you're not alone. Today, we're tackling how to split bills in HoneyDue, a super handy app designed for couples to manage shared finances without the drama. HoneyDue makes splitting bills fair, transparent, and stress-free, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to get the app. Head to your app store, search for HoneyDue, and download it for free. Once it's installed, create an account using your email or link it to your Google account. Don't forget to invite your partner, it's all about teamwork. They'll get a notification to join, and soon you'll both have access to a shared dashboard where everything is visible. Now, let's add your bills. Open the app and tap on the Bills section. Here, you can input details like the bill name, amount, due date, and even attach a photo of the invoice for reference. HoneyDue supports all kinds of expenses, from rent and utilities to streaming subscriptions. The real magic happens when you split the bills. Select the bill you want to divide, and choose from options like splitting equally, proportionally based on income, or customizing it yourself. For example, if one person earns more, you can set it to split 60-40. The app automatically calculates each person's share and sends reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Once splits are set, track payments easily. Mark when you've paid your part, and HoneyDue will update the status for both users. This way, you can avoid double payments or oversights. Plus, the app's overview page gives you a clear picture of your joint finances, helping you budget better together. In just a few minutes, you've mastered bill splitting in HoneyDue. It's a game changer for reducing arguments and building financial harmony. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Try HoneyDue today and let us know in the comments how it's working for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.